Unajua unaweza enda hospitali na ukose matibabu juu auko registered na SHA. And most of us, we are making a very big mistake while registering SHA. NHIF ilibadilishwa jina ikaitwa SHA, Social Health Authority. And if details are wrong, unaweza kosa huduma kwa hospitali yoyote ama claims zinaweza kataa. Here is how to register SHA in less than 3 minutes using your laptop. Go to eCitizen portal, search SHA registration, enter your ID number and your phone number. And make sure umeeka majina zako venye zina appear in your ID. Add dependents correctly if it's your wife or your kids, and then submit the application. If it's your kids, make sure umeweka majina zao venye zinafuatana kwa birth certificate. Kama ni bibi yako, make sure umeweka majina zake venye zinaapia kwa ID yake. Simple. Ukikosea your number ama your phone number doesn't match your ID details or your dependent information is wrong, your hospital verification may fail. Na hapo ndio panic huanza. Imagine getting treatment without borrowing money from friends or family. That's why every Kenyan should register SHA early before emergency happens. If you want full guidance on how to register on SHA, comment SHA in the comment section below. Like and make sure you follow Kenya Digital Guides for more simple, understandable guides. See you in the next video.